Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things skincare. Today, we're diving into the world of niacinamide serums, and I have an exciting one to share with you all. If you're on the hunt for the best niacinamide serum out there, you're in the right place. Meet the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. This little bottle packs a powerful punch, and I'm here to tell you why it deserves a spot in your skincare routine. First things first, let's talk about what sets this serum apart. With a whopping 10% niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, this serum is designed to address a variety of skin concerns. From acne and uneven texture to enlarged pores and dullness, it's got you covered. One of the standout features of this serum is its ability to promote a bright and healthy complexion. Thanks to its high concentration of niacinamide, it helps refine tone and improve texture, leaving your skin looking radiant and refreshed. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at these before and after photos from satisfied customers. The results speak for themselves. What I love most about this serum is its gentle yet effective formula. Unlike some other niacinamide serums on the market, this one is non-drying and soothing, making it perfect for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Plus, it's free from harsh fragrances and unnecessary additives, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate this serum into your skincare routine. Simply apply a few drops to your skin in the morning and at night before your moisturizer. It's lightweight and fast-absorbing, so it won't weigh you down or leave a greasy residue. This serum is suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, you can reap the benefits of niacinamide without worrying about irritation. So, there you have it, folks, the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. With its powerful formula, gentle approach, and impressive results, it's no wonder why it's considered one of the best niacinamide serums on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay glowing.